special assignment to write poem to their mothers.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning. Sit down. Thank you, ma'am. Today you all have to write a poem on your mother. Do you know why I am asking to write a poem on your mother? Ma'am, yes, dear. Today is Mother's Day. Yes, today is Mother's Day. Now, yes. Now start writing a poem. Don't talking, everyone. Am I done? Submitted. Come here. Give these papers to your physician and ask them to pick a best one. Oh, so this is the best one. This is Claudia? Yes, ma'am. Let's see what you have written. Dear Mom, I don't always say it, but I notice everything you do. When you wake up early to pack my lunch, when you help me with homework even you are tired, when you help me even though I know you had a long day. I know I forget to thank you. I know I sometimes make you angry, but I want you. You are my hero, my best friend, my everything. Wow, such a beautiful poem. From where did you get idea? Ma'am, you know what happened yesterday? I have an interesting backstory to share with you all. Now hear it.
Today we take a peek into a house where Ria, a 10 years old girl, thinks being a mom is easy. Let's see what happens when she walks a day in her mom's shoes.